sir. She red hot. Red hot. At the 80s and 90s car show. Alright. She red hot. She red hot. My channel, man. I like this little thing. I don't know what the heck it is. Wow. This is nice. 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 With yeah, thank you. Hey, look. I saw you at Cars and Coffee, and I'm like,
yeah, I looked on your Instagram. There was nothing.
You didn't see me on YouTube. You didn't see this vehicle on YouTube. No. Well, hold on, let me turn. Yeah. They call this a Honda Street. Honda Street. A Honda Street. Wow. Oh, man, check out the fog lights. Okay. All righty. Honda Street. Glad you brought it back out. Yeah. Honda Street. Well, I'm glad you brought it back out. Thanks, I know you get about 200 miles to the gallon, don't you? 400 miles to the gallon. I believe it. I believe it.
Kilometers per distance. Yeah. I don't know if you've seen it in person.
Okay, there's something over here. I guess they got scared. They backing up. They backing up because they got scared. Once again, this is Triangle Rad. Triangle Rad. Triangle Rad car show. RADsgiving 80s and 90s car show. RADsgiving at trianglerad.com. Preserving the 80s and 90s car culture. Yep. And especially with the pop-up headlights. Yeah. If you come to Taco Tuesday, pop your headlights up and down for me. Okay. All right. So, like I was saying, this is the pop-up zone. And these are the people with the pop-up headlights. But, you know, thanks for supporting my channel. You know, thanks for subscribing. Yeah, thanks for making this a lot of fun for me. Yeah, and I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. You know, I think we had a good turnout today. Yeah, nice little turnout for and it's still early. It's still early. It's still early. So, probably more coming. There's probably more coming, you know. Seen a lot of right-hand drive vehicles out here today. And, you know, it's been a learning experience. But you live and you learn. You learn every day. So, you know, yep. Yeah. Oh, man. Two-door Jetta. I got to get some of this. A two-door. Look at y'all. A two-door. 1989 Jetta. 1999 Jetta. 1999 Jetta. 1999 Jetta. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 1999 Jetta. Stick car. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Okay. This thing says 760 horsepower. 760 freaking horsepower, baby. 760. How you doing? I'm sorry for getting y'all way, but.
I only added the carbon fiber wicker and the side skirts.
760 horsepower. You talking about a Cobra that strikes. Talking about Cobra. Cobra, baby. 760 horsepower. That's not a 90s car, not an 80s car, but it looked good. So, click Click like if you think it's nice. Okay, we got an RX-7 convertible. I don't understand this. I don't get this. But anyway, I tried to get him, y'all. Anyway, he gone. He gone. Yep. Yeah. 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 Pretty good turnout today. Pretty good turnout. Okay. Got a convertible RX-7. A convertible RX-7. When the last time you saw a convertible RX-7? Yeah. A convertible RX-7. And it's not a convertible RX-7. It's a convertible 944. So, when the last time you saw a convertible 944? I said 944. Yeah, convertible Porsche. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, do the headlights pop up? Oh, man. Yeah. We got some pop-up action going on. All righty. Yeah. Yeah. Pop-up headlights in the 944 convertible. Yeah, you don't see these. You don't see these.
I looked for a while before I thought I wanted a convertible for a long time.
Yeah, yeah. And you just don't see the convertibles. And what's the? I know. What's the fuel mileage like?
Like give me the. What's the MPGs on?
Yeah, it ought to be pretty decent because it's a small engine.
It's a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
But it makes pretty good power still.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Okay. You're gonna turn them all the way off, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From the 90s and the 80s. That's what you got. It's pop-up action. Pop-up action. Pop-up action. Okay. All right.
He walks around.
Okay. All right. 80s and 90s car show. 80s and 90s car show. How you doing?
I'm fantastic. And yourself?
All right. I love that little car you got, man.
It's cute.
Yes, it is. It is.
I fit in it great.
Yeah, I probably couldn't.
I know that. It'd be challenging for most. Challenging for most.
Yes, sir.
What's that?
Challenging to fit in this thing for most people?
I would imagine, yeah. I was the passenger. But